Okay, good afternoon. So I would like to start. So before starting the formal part, I want to make two off-record comments. The first is, of course, you notice that today is a very special day, the 12th day of the 12th month of the 12 years. We didn't do it on purpose. It was just a Wednesday before Christmas, and this is how it went. But, you know, I heard on TV that some people, some expecting mothers in Israel, do a lot of effort to have the delivery exactly today, not yesterday or tomorrow. So we are, in some sense, fortunate because it's a memorable day. The other small announcement is less humorous. And as you know, we are three organizers, coordinators of the prize. There is also an international committee that did the selection. The third person, unfortunately, Professor Misha Kozlov, cannot be here because his mother had to undergo some emergency medical treatment at the hospital, and I really hope that everything will go well. But he couldn't be here, so we wish him and his mother all the best. So let me start. Dear Professor Yossi Klafter, President of Tel Aviv University, Professor Carlos Bustamante, and Professor Wolfgang Herfrich, the laureates of the 2012 Sackler Prize, dear colleagues and guests. In the name of the prize committee, Professor Kozlov, Professor Urbach, and I would like to welcome you all to the ceremony of the Raymond and Beverly Sackler International Prize in Biophysics. This is the 6th year that Tel Aviv University is awarding an international prize in biophysics, but it is the first year where the prize is awarded with no age limitation. In all previous years, the prize was given to scientists, let's say, less senior, but in terms of age, up to age of 45. And actually, one of them gave the lecture this morning, Professor Yulichem. The Sackler Prize has been established through the generosity of Dr. Raymond and Beverly Sackler, who wish to promote excellence in this emerging and interdisciplinary field of science, a field that lies in the crossroads between physics, chemistry, biology, medical sciences, and engineering. The prize is awarded each year in a different area of biophysics, and for the 2012, the area that has been chosen is physical principles in biological systems. More specifically, this area relates to development of novel and ingenious experimental methods, as well as theory and modeling that are based on fundamental physical principles. They include techniques that enable experimentation and measurements under previously unreachable conditions and with unprecedented precision. Furthermore, physical concepts such as elasticity, thermal fluctuations, and the formability of soft biological objects, as we heard, for example, in the morning sessions, open up new and exciting areas of research in biophysics of membrane, DNA, protein, biopolymers, and subcellular organelles and processes. For the year 2012, the prize committee has decided to award the Sackler Prize to two international distinguished scientists with an extraordinary track record in biophysical research. I call upon Professor Yossi Klafter, President of Tel Aviv University, to welcome the laureate.
Good afternoon. Our laureates, Professor Bustamante and Professor Helfrich, distinguished guests, students, colleagues. It's an honor for me to take part in this prize ceremony, which actually inaugurates a new Raymond and Beverly Sackler Prize in Biophysics. Now, biophysics has been a strategic area here at Tel Aviv University. Biophysics by itself is very broadly defined, so you can find collaborations here in 4 of our faculties, in the Faculty of Exact Sciences, Medical School, Life Sciences, and Engineering. By the way, 2 of the faculties carry the name of Sackler. On Sunday, actually, I opened another conference here in the engineering faculty, which was on biophotonics. Many of the talks there could have easily qualified as part of this biophysics gathering here. So we are actually quite spread over the campus. Now, the biophysics activities at the university are largely supported by Dr. Raymond Sackler, whose interest in biophysics really, I would say, is very, very deep here at Tel Aviv University, but not only. Here he donated fellowships, an institution, chair, and he's really keeps up with what's going on here. And even I spoke to him 2 days ago, and he sends his greetings. But Raymond sponsored biophysics efforts in universities, I would say over the globe, but mainly United States. And his dream is to see cooperation between these universities. The involvement of the Sackler family with Tel Aviv University started already in 1976, when the three Sackler brothers inaugurated what now is called the Sackler School of Medicine. And in the inauguration, I just brought a sentence of what Sackler, Raymond, said that time, and his idea was to keep Israel at the front of the international community of science and scholarship, and to put Tel Aviv University on the world map. And he has been very devoted since then. The medical school, the Institute for Advanced Studies, a special chair to invite senior visitors, Institute for Biophysics, chairs, a very recent initiative a year ago between Tel Aviv University Astronomy and Harvard Smithsonian, and now we are negotiating with him something similar between Tel Aviv University and UC Berkeley. So you can help. So really the Sackler family is all over here, and we are very, very thankful. So with this, I'll end here. I would like to congratulate our laureates, and we'll go over to the ceremony.